Hi, kindergarten writers. Today we're going to talk about being a brave speller. Now, we've talked about being a brave speller many times in the classroom, but now you get to show your parents at home what that means. Writers don't say, "How do you spell?" They have to try on their own first. So they check out the word wall. They use the classroom and might look at covers of books. And what I consider one of the most important ways to spell is by stretching out the sounds. And we did this by holding our arm out, starting at the top, and stretching out the word as we did that motion. Also, don't forget the vowel. And we also might know how to spell little words, like in the word into. Sometimes it helps to clap the syllables of the word into and realize that you know how to spell in, and then you know how to spell the second syllable to. So when you are looking at your persuasive writing, look at a word where you have been a brave speller. Problem. It is important to clean up after yourself. Always pick up your shoes. I have a lot of words that I had to be a brave speller for. Remember this chart? Brave spellers. We put our names. We put our own spelling, and then the teacher, and in this case your parent, can write what we call the conventional spelling, the way that we see it written in books and other print. So let's try important. Get your arm ready. Important. Important. I can tell that has a lot of letters in it. I'm going to clap it out. Important. Has 3 syllables. Important. Piece by piece. That's it. Important. Important. Or I made it like a little word where I put P-O-O-R, pour. I know how to spell that. Important. If you can't see my word, I'll spell it for you. Importent. Okay, now I'm going to write the conventional spelling. Important. And I'm going to check off which parts and which letters are correct. I got the first 4 letters correct. I, M, P, O, O. Wow. I have an extra O that I didn't need, but I do have an R, a T. I put an E down because I heard E, and it's actually an A in the conventional spelling. So I'll just leave that alone. And then an N and a T. Wow, feels pretty good. to try that brave spelling. Now that I have the conventional spelling, I can go back and fix that up. And so you might notice this heading right here. It says, writers don't say, how do you spell? It's okay to ask, but make sure you've tried first. And I encourage you to make your own Brave Speller chart at home and share some of your words with me, and I'll add it to my chart at home here. And we can see all the friends who are being brave spellers at home. Let me try another one. Why someone could trip and you won't be able to find them when you need them. Tripping hurts. Put your shoes away. Oh, a word that I see a lot is people. I'm going to stretch that out. People. People. It kind of has two beats. People. Can you try writing it down and see if you can be a brave speller and share that? I'm not going to write it. I want to see what you can do on your own. And maybe if I get some tries, I'll put it up here on my chart. And I'd love to see what you're working on as well. Happy writing!